Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of freeze-drying and discover how we can make our own freeze-dried orange juice at home. Introducing the idea of freeze-drying orange juice as a fun and unique do-it-yourself project that anyone can try. It's a creative way to preserve the flavors of fresh orange juice in a whole new form. One of the main challenges in preserving orange juice is keeping its delicious taste and essential nutrients intact. Freeze-drying offers a solution by removing moisture while maintaining the essence of the juice. Let's explore the science behind freeze-drying and how this process works its magic on orange juice. By freezing the juice and then slowly removing the ice through sublimation, we can transform it into a crispy and flavorful treat. Now, for the key moment, witnessing the transformation of orange juice into freeze-dried goodness. Watch as the liquid turns into a light and airy snack that's bursting with orange flavor, ready to be enjoyed anytime. In conclusion, freeze-dried orange juice not only retains the taste and nutrients of fresh juice but also offers a unique and crunchy texture. Making it at home is not only rewarding but also a fun and educational experience. I encourage you to give freeze-drying orange juice a try yourself. Share your results with us and let's explore the endless possibilities of DIY food preservation together. Get creative and enjoy the process.